Hey guys, welcome to an evening with the Kenwood R-5000 communications receiver. We're going to tune around the 19 meter band, 15,000 kilohertz and up, and end up at what will probably be Radio Slovakia English on WRMI 15770. So let's check that out. 15,000 kilohertz. This is WWV. Put myself in upper sideband. As you see here, it's a little off. Or maybe about 20 hertz. So let's check out what's there. Can actually put some attenuation, maybe a little bit on this. This is some digital, so let's put a little bit of attenuation here, so as not to have too much of a signal. And now we're going to go back to AM mode. That's Radio Havana, Cuba, Spanish, 15 to 30. Very weak. This should technically be Radio Thailand, but seems to be quite weak tonight. That is WRMI with Radio Slovakia. Will soon start. Let's go a little higher, see what's up there. Nothing much more. There's some radio teletype here. This one is weak. It's probably a China jammer on 15970. I believe this is the frequency of the weather fax from Germany. So anyways, not that much to listen there. Let's go back down to 15770 and enjoy
WRMI.
Radio Slovakia.
Radio Slovakia International. Slovakia today.
Would you like to stand skits mojí míry procházka?
This is RSI News.
Ukrainian President Zelensky thanked Slovakia to produce first of 16 howitzers for Ukraine by the end of July, and Slovak villages planted over 33,000 trees. On Monday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky posted his thanks to Slovakia on Twitter. He did so in his reaction to his visit of the country on Friday, when he met with Slovak top constitutional officials. It was the second time that he had been in Slovakia as Ukrainian president, but the first time since February 2022, when Russia invaded his country and started the war. Zelensky also attached a nearly 1.5-minute video of the visit to the tweet. The first of the 16 Zuzana 2 howitzers ordered for Ukraine will be produced by the end of July. According to the Slovak Defense Ministry, all 16 pieces will be handed over by the end of 2024. Production of the